Do you want your pigs to grow faster, spend less money on feed, and still get strong, healthy animals? What if I tell you that one cheap ingredient can replace part of your expensive feed and still give you amazing results? That ingredient is Palm Kernel Cake, PKC. Today, I will show you a complete pig feed formula using PKC, step by step, that you can start using immediately, even if you are a beginner. Stay till the end, because I will also show you the big mistakes farmers make with PKC that can slow down your pigs instead of helping them grow. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this channel is all about smart farming, pig production, and making more profit with less stress. Today's topic is very important because feed is the biggest cost in pig farming, sometimes up to 70% of your total cost. That's why many farmers are looking for cheaper alternatives to expensive ingredients like soybean. And that is where PKC comes in. But here is the truth. If you don't use PKC correctly, your pigs will grow slowly. So today, I will show you what PKC really does in pig feed, the correct percentage to use, a complete feed formula, and how to get fast growth results. What is PKC? PKC simply means palm kernel cake. It is a byproduct from processing palm oil. After extracting oil from palm kernels, what remains is PKC. In countries like Ghana, PKC is cheap, easy to find, widely used in livestock feed. Nutritional value of PKC contains protein, about 14 to 18%, high in fiber, provides energy, contains some minerals. But here is something very important. PKC is not a complete protein source like soybean. That means you cannot use it alone. You must combine it with other ingredients. Why many farmers fail with PKC. Many farmers hear that PKC is cheap, and they rush to use it. Then, suddenly, their pigs stop growing fast. Feed conversion becomes poor. Some pigs even lose weight. Why? Because they use too much PKC. Don't balance protein. Ignore amino acids. PKC has high fiber, and pigs cannot efficiently digest too much fiber. So the key is balance. Role of PKC in pig feed. PKC plays three main roles. 1. Reduces feed cost. It is cheaper than maize and soybean. 2. Provides moderate protein. Not the best, but helpful when combined. 3. Adds fiber. Good for digestion, but only in small amounts. Best practice. Use PKC as a partial replacement, not total replacement. Complete pig feed formula using PKC grower pigs. Now let's go straight to the main formula. This formula is for grower pigs, 20 kilograms to 60 kilograms. Ingredients: 100 kilograms feed, maize, 40 kilograms, wheat bran, 20 kilograms, PKC, 15 kilograms, soybean meal, 15 kilograms, fish meal, 5 kilograms, bone meal, 2 kilograms, premix, 1 kilogram, salt, 0.5 kilograms, lysine, 0.25 kilograms, methionine, 0.25 kilograms. Why this formula works: maize, energy for fast growth; wheat bran, fiber plus digestion; PKC to cheap protein plus energy; soybean to strong protein source; fish meal to boosts amino acids; lysine and methionine to critical for muscle growth. This combination ensures fast weight gain, strong body development, better feed efficiency. Formula for finisher pigs. For pigs 60 kilograms to market weight, use this. Ingredients: 100 kilograms feed, maize 45 kilograms, wheat bran 20 kilograms, PKC 20 kilograms, Soybean meal, 10 kilograms. Fish meal, 2 kilograms. Bone meal, 2 kilograms. Premix, 1 kilogram. Salt, 0.5 kilograms. Lysine, 0.25 kilograms. Methionine, 0.25 kilograms. Why increase PKC here? At this stage, pigs need more energy, less protein compared to growers. So PKC can be increased slightly. This helps reduce cost while still maintaining growth. How much PKC should you use? This is very important. Piglets, 0% PKC. Growers to 10 to 15% PKC. Finishers to 15 to 20% PKC. Never go above 25%. Too much PKC equals slow growth. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Using too much PKC, more is not better. 2. Removing soybean completely, PKC cannot fully replace soybean. 3. Ignoring amino acids, lysine and methionine are very important. 4. Poor mixing, uneven feed equals uneven growth. 5. Using low-quality PKC, moldy PKC can make pigs sick. Tips for fast growth. If you want your pigs to grow very fast, follow this. Always balance protein, don't guess. Follow a formula. Use clean water, water equals growth. Feed consistently, same time every day. Avoid stress, healthy pigs grow faster. Combine with good management, feed alone is not enough. Cost advantage of PKC. Let's be honest, feed is expensive, but when you include PKC, you reduce feed cost, increase profit margin, still maintain good growth. That is smart farming. So now you know, PKC is a powerful ingredient when used correctly. You have seen the exact feed formula, the right percentage, the mistakes to avoid. If you apply this, your pigs will grow faster, eat better, and give you more profit. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more farming tips, and comment if you want more feed formulas. I will see you in the next video.